Quick question for you. How many of your training videos are being watched on mute right now? Here's a statistic that will surprise you. 85% of online video is watched without sound. Not because people are deaf, but because they're on a train or in the office or don't want to wake the kids. If your videos don't have captions, you're literally losing the majority of your audience. Let me show you what's actually happening here. Here's what's interesting about accessibility. Whilst it's essential for learners with disabilities, it actually benefits everyone who engages with your training. It's about creating flexible learning experiences that work for people in all kinds of different situations. The care worker, for example, that's on a packed commuter train scrolling through your course, they need captions. The office worker who's trying to finish compliance training without disturbing their colleagues, captions help them too. The parent who's finally got 10 minutes of peace after bedtime definitely needs captions. And the person for whom English isn't their first language, trying to grasp complex terminology, they're using both captions and transcripts to work through your content at their own pace. The brilliant part? Well, the tools to do this are everywhere now. YouTube does it automatically, rev.com will do it professionally for you, and most video editing software has it built in. And with WCAG 2.2 now the standard for UK public sector contracts, having captions, transcripts and audio descriptions means you can compete for opportunities that simply aren't available without them. The reality is, when you make your videos accessible, everyone benefits. Your learners get a better experience, you reach more people, and you open up opportunities with clients who are specifically looking for providers who take this seriously. We've put together a complete guide that walks you through the practical side, the tools that actually work, and how to get started without overwhelming yourself or your budget. And honestly, even if you just tackle captions on your most popular videos first, you're already making a real difference to how people experience your training. It's one of those changes that sounds bigger than it is, believe me, but the impact is genuinely worth it.